tonight is gonna let you know that I'ma be here to do my thing. That's just the way I know. Come on. Got an addiction, and if you listen, you gon' find exactly what you're missing. Come visit, you're way too distant. Time goes by, things get way different. I sit and chip reminiscing, cause I remember easy living, like it was just the other day. It's been a long time since I seen your face. You can come around when you need to. We're gon' be happy to see you. And when you come through, all these people, they gon' love you.
Dispensation, and in honor of your greatness, we offer these libations to your majesty and your